Indulging in a homemade chocolate face mask is not only a luxurious experience, but also a highly beneficial one for your skin. This delightful mask, made from cocoa powder, milk, honey, and cinnamon, offers a plethora of advantages for the health, beauty, and radiance of your skin. Together, these ingredients create a luxurious, indulgent experience that pampers your skin and tantalizes your senses. Ready to whip up your own luxurious chocolate face mask? Let's gather the ingredients. First, we need 2 tablespoons of pure cocoa powder. High in flavonoids, cocoa powder is a powerhouse of antioxidants. It fights off damaging free radicals, promoting a youthful complexion and reducing inflammation. Next up, we have 1 tablespoon of honey. Known for its natural hydrating properties, it locks in moisture to keep your skin supple and glowing. Plus, it's antibacterial, helping to keep breakouts at bay. Our third ingredient is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Known for its antimicrobial properties, cinnamon helps to reduce acne. It also stimulates blood flow, giving your skin a healthy, natural glow. Finally, we have 1 tablespoon of milk. Milk contains lactic acid that helps in exfoliating the skin to reveal a brighter, more even complexion. It's also known for its soothing and hydrating properties. To prepare your mask, combine the cocoa powder, honey, and cinnamon in a clean bowl. Gradually add the milk to create a smooth paste. Ensure the consistency is thick enough to adhere to your face without dripping. Applying this mask is just as easy as making it. Start by ensuring your face is clean and dry. Then, gently spread the chocolate mixture evenly across your face, avoiding the delicate area around your eyes. Use your fingers or a soft brush for a smooth application. Once your face is generously covered, sit back and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. After the waiting period, rinse off gently with warm water, pat dry, and bask in the glow of your refreshed and revitalized skin. This luxurious mask is suitable for all skin types, but remember, everyone's skin is different. It's always a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying any new product, even something as delightful as this chocolate face mask. For best results, use the mask once or twice a week. Ensure all ingredients are fresh and of high quality. Creating a luxurious chocolate face mask at home is a simple, enjoyable way to enhance your skincare routine. Give your skin a treat with this delightful chocolate mask. Give it a try and share your experiences with us.